And our next question is, what is the square root of 64? So question number 5, square root of 64. This one's actually really simple. 64. The square root of 64 is simply just square is equal to plus or minus 8. And we can check that by, so the square root is when this number times that number will equal to 64. So you can just check that by 8 times 8, which is equal to 64, or negative 8 times negative 8, which is also equal to 64. But our square root numbers are usually positive, so our best answer to pick will be the positive 8. And the junior tutor shows us the same way. So the square roots of 64 are 8. Solution is correct. Alright, and now our next question is number 6. Number 6. How do you solve for 5x minus 3 equals to 13 minus 3x? 5x minus 3 equals to 13 minus 3x. So our best thing to do is to isolate the x on the one side and the numbers onto one side. So what I'm going to do is bring the x to the left side. So how we're going to do that is add 3x to both sides. Since we have a negative 3x, to cancel it out on the right side, I'm going to add 3x. So I'll write that right here. I'm going to do it in red. Plus 3x plus 3x to both sides. Now we have 8x on this side, 8x minus 3 equals a 13, and negative 3 plus 3x will cancel x's out, so we have 8x minus 3 equals to 13. Now we want to bring the 3 over to the other side, and we're going to do the same. We're just going to add 3 over here and add 3 over here. This will give us 8x is equal to 13 plus 3, which is 16. 8x equals 16. Now to get just x, we're going to divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. Now we have x is equal to 16 over 8, which is 2. Now we can plug that back into our original equation to see if that was correct. So we had 5, x is now equal to 2, so 5x, 5 times 2 minus 3 equals to 13 minus 3 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, 10 minus 3 here, and 13 minus 3 times 2, which is 6, so 13 minus 6. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, so our solution is correct. Let's see how our junior tutor did it. So to solve this, we need to isolate x to one side and the constants to the other side. Yep. Then we're going to do that by adding 3x to both sides. That gives us 8x minus 3 equals to 13. And now to get the 3 to the other side, we're going to add 3 to both sides. So we have 8x equals to 16. And now we're going to divide both sides by 8, which gives us x equals to 2. And just to check if you did it right, we're going to substitute the value of x, so in this case 2, back into the equation. 5 times 2 minus 3 equals to 13 minus 3 times 2, and you get 7 on both sides. And that is all of the questions for today. If you guys have any questions, comments, comment down below, check the descriptions, and please